AI, kaya mo yan. Create present and save more time. Mas madali with AI every time.
Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of Usapang AI Tayo. And in today's video, we will be talking about paano gumawa ng resume using Claude para mas mapadali at mas mapaganda ang ating resumes. We can use this for our job applications and at the same time, it will make the process so much faster for all of us, lalo na no kung may mga hinahabol tayong mga job openings. This would be really very helpful. So, a lot of you, I would think na meron na kayong mga old template, i-update nyo na lang siya. But for purposes of today's video, assume natin na we are writing everything from scratch. You know, wala tayong pagbabasihang old resume. With that said, so meron akong ginawa ditong document na nilagay ko lang mga basic information. You don't have to worry about the layout. Saka na yan. Right now, just ilagay lang natin lahat ng information natin. Yung name natin, yung email, yung mobile number. And these are the very important and very basic even na information na nilalagay natin, di ba? Yung school mo, yung mga work experience mo, nandyan, lagay mo din yung mga certifications na na-earn mo. Ganito lang. It's all that information, yan lang. Kasi, typically yan lang naman ang natatagpuan natin sa mga resume, hindi ba? Copy-paste mo to. And then, go to your Claude window. At sabihin mo lang, can you help write a resume for me? At siguro, since IT ang background mo, di ba? So, you're applying, assume natin you're applying for an IT manager position, which is the same as your old position, dun sa example natin. So, can you help write a resume for me fit for an IT manager role? Below are my details. So, copy-paste mo lang, Control-V. Alright, and send it. Ano yung output na ibibigay niya sa atin? So, note, no? Wala tayong nilagay na any requirement at all. We can identify or be very specific if you want your font to be a certain size, if you want your margins to be a certain size, pwede naman yon. But to make it simple, because you can just do that later as you become really more familiar kung paano babatuhan si Claude ng mga instructions, the formatting can follow. So for now, we will focus on ano yung kaya niyang i-render so we can take a look. As you can see, while Claude is rendering the file for you, makikita mo naman ano na yung mga kanyang mga progress. So, you are kept in the loop. So, sabi niya, okay, ready na siya. Ginagawa niya na yung output. Now, dito sa kanan, as sinusulat niya kasi dyan yung summary sa left kung ano yung mga ginawa niya, no? Hihintayin mo lang dito sa kanan na mag-display siya kapag ready na yung file. So, a little bit of patience as we wait for Claude to render the final document. So, we can see here, di ba, sa left, makikita mo din dyan na added a professional summary and core competency. So, nag-ano na siya, karoon na siya ng initiative na dagdagan yung information mo. Specifically, nakita niya na nagsaspan na ng 25 years yung experience mo, di ba? Nilagyan niya na ng bullet points for each role. In-adjust niya yung phone number format mo. University is tweak as written. So, madami siyang ginawa. Ngayon, we will see, pagka ganito na hindi siya nagdi-display, you also have the option to click on download and open dito. So, just in case, sige, close natin and then let's see ulit. Baka when you try again, it will display the page. Tignan natin. Kasi normally, dapat nakakapag-preview ka na sa right side. Ayun. So, minsan ganun lang. Like, if unable to display page, close that right preview dito sa X and then click on the name of the file sa left. Mag-open ulit yan. Why does it give you this preview? Para medyo nakikita mo na bago mo pa siya i-download. Kapag may gusto ka ng palitan mo na. Ilagay mo na dito sa prompt window para bago mo pa i-download, nagawa mo na yung changes na gusto mo. So, for example, heto ayaw mo ng 2 pages na resume. Let's just say gusto mo lang, tignan lang natin, condensed to 1 page. As you can see, dito sa una niyang ginawa, may mga nilagay na siyang typical job function of each role. And at the same time, hindi ba, Doon sa mga magkakaparehong role mo pa, ang ginawa niya is, let's say IT manager company ABC and IT manager company 123, medyo ni-rephrase niya yung definition or description of the role and your job functions there. Ngayon, kung gusto mong i-edit yung pag-phrase, you can go ahead and do that. If when you review, ay, hindi naman ganito yung ginawa ko. So, ano na lang, more on i-edit mo na lang. But because you did not provide it, binigyan ka na rin niya ng mga typical description of the role para yung resume mo will be very comprehensive looking for the recruiting team who will review it. So, tignan natin kung ano mangyayari. Kasi minsan, kapag naman ginagawa mong one page lang, baka naman sobrang matipid. So, tignan natin kung it would still look okay. So, yan, di ba? As you can see, kapag nag-render kayo, ang gagawin niya, babaguhin niya yung preview. It will always show you the recent file that you've rendered. Yan. So, masyadong maikli, no? So, kung hindi ka happy dyan, at okay ka na dito sa una, pwede naman ito. So, balik ka dito, i-download and open mo siya. Alright, eto na siya, di ba? Let us say, mas gusto ko pala yung 2 pages na resume kasi yung isa naman para namang masyadong bitin. Ito pala, ang inopen niya pala is yung, yung bagong render. So, we go back to this. We go back to Claude. At sasabihin natin sa kanya na, sige, ayoko niya. So, too short. So, let's go back to the 2-page CV resume. So, ibabalik niya yan dyan. Okay? So, nire-revert niya ngayon. While doing that, so for example naman, okay, so nirun niya, no? Tapos, yung format, nung pagkakita mo, parang hindi ko masyado type tong gantong format. Tignan natin yung kanyang output. Babalik niya yan doon. Alright. So, pag kinlik mo tong name, makikita natin ang preview sa right. Okay. So, ngayon nakita mo, balik tayo doon kasi ang pangit pala ng one page, masyado namang ang content ng information. So, for example, you're very happy with this. The details is also okay. Before you fully download, gusto mo munang baguhin yung template niya. Parang gusto mo, layout niya. Gusto mo pagandahin. So, punta tayo sa Google. And minsan, probably what you can do is just say like, popular resume template for IT professionals. Gawa tayo sa images. Images lang minsan ang kailangan natin eh. Kunyari ganito. It's not exactly IT, but let's see, tingnan natin. Kunyari, may napili ka. Dito sa example natin, you're not putting pictures. So, we will choose one that, eto, feeling ko this one is good. Actually, dito, tingnan natin kung mag-grab natin yung image. Or, ayan. So, mag-grab naman natin siya. Okay? So, heto, liitan natin. So, kapag kaganyan, Claude kasi can also work with images eh. So, capture lang natin tong image na to. If it is na, ayan, kahit ganyan lang, capture nyo lang. And then you go back to Claude. And what you will tell Claude is, copy-paste mo siya dyan. So, i-paste mo lang siya dyan. And you say, can you copy the layout attached? Or sa design and layout. So, tignan natin. Kasi gusto mo yung format nun. You want a little bit more color, yet retain professionalism. Kapag napili mo na yung format na gusto mo, from all of the, let's say, nag-browse ka, from all of the options that Google gave you, na pwede mong gayahin yung format lang, then you bring it to Claude at sabihin mo lang sa kanya na kopyahin niya to. You have to pay attention dito sa nilalagay niyang details kasi these are the stuff that you will have to go back and check. So, for example, dahil meron kang particular layout na binigay sa kanya and most probably the information that you gave Claude ay hindi enough or hindi complete, so nag-fill siya ng estimate start year for UP Diliman. Kasi ang nilagay mo lang doon yung year that we graduated. Diba? So, ang gagawin niya ngayon, since yung format mo required the start and end, if you fill in niya yon. So, these are the things you would want, again, go back and review and make sure na tama yung information na nandun or agree ka doon sa mga nilagay niyang information doon. Okay? So, open natin ito. So, naka-Word document siya, no? Which would allow you to edit it. So, hayan na siya. You will see. Ngayon, minor editing na lang to. If you want to compress in one page, edi go ahead and do that. Now, kung for example, happy ka na with everything, wala ka namang changes, tapos ang required format mo ay PDF, pwede mo rin sabihin to na, can you convert this to a PDF file? So, ang maganda kasi na i-download mo na ito. So, hindi mo siya mawawala. Nakasave na yung Word document. Kasi kapag inas mo si Claude to render it as PDF, mawawala na yung previous file mo sa kanya. When you open this, ayun, naka-PDF na siya. So, all you have to do, even the naming convention looks great. But all you have to do now is attach in the job application. And you're done. That is how we create a resume from scratch. At the same time, if you want Claude to follow a certain template, which you just found in the internet. Okay? So thank you, and if you love watching similar videos, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you are notified every time we upload a new and helpful video on how you can utilize the AI tools to make all of your daily tasks so much easier and faster. Thank you. Bye.
Usapang AI, kaya mo yan. Create present and save more